Okay, for next question, that is question number 30. We are going to solve both the parts, and for part A, it's given that in the given figure, AB is a diameter. So this is the figure where AB is the diameter of the circle with center O. So we are going to solve part A. And let's say these are the angles 1, and I'm going to join this. So let's say this is AOBPQ, and I'm going to name this as, let's say, R. So this is R, and these are angles 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have to show that angle POQ. We have to show that angle POQ is equal to 90 degree. This is we have to show. So what we have done is we have joined O to R, and now we are going to give the proof for this. Okay. Now let's consider these triangles AOQ. So in triangle AOQ and triangle QOR. So OA is equal to OR, this being the radii of same circle. Now OQ is equal to OQ. This is and AQ is equal to QR because these are tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. So tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal, which is the second theorem of the circle chapter. So tangents drawn from external point to a circle are equal. Now, so that means triangle AOQ is congruent to triangle QOR by S congruence rule, which means angle 2 is equal to angle 1 is equal to angle 2 CPCT. Similarly, we can prove that angle 3 is equal to angle 4 for the triangles POR and BOP. They will be congruent. Now, let this be our first set of equations. Now, angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 gives us 180 degree because these are the angles on line AOB, and AOB is a straight line. So I can write here the reason is AOB is a straight line. Now because we have to find prove POQ, so I'm going to keep 2 and 3 and replace 1 and 4. So 1 is replaced with 2, 2 is there, 3 is there, and instead of 4 I can write angle P is equal to 180 degree. So this is 2 times angle 2 plus 2 times angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. 2 is common, angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree, and 2 plus 3, if we add 2 and 3, that gives us angle POQ. So this is 90, so that means angle POQ is equal to 90 degree, and this also our first part. And let's move on to the second part where a circle with center O and radius 8 is inscribed in a quadrilateral. So I'm going to take this off. Okay, we are part B where a circle with center O and radius 8 centimeters is inscribed in a quadrilateral. So this is part B, and this is the quadrilateral ABCD. If AD is perpendicular to DC, BC is equal to 30. So BC, that means this is 30 centimeter BC, and BS is 24 centimeter. Now BS and BR are equal, so BS is equal to BR is equal to 24 centimeter. Reason being, these are the tangents drawn from an external point B. So tangents drawn, and we know that tangents drawn from external point to a circle are equal. Okay, so that means this is BR is 24. So if BR is 24, we can find out CR. So CR is equal to BC minus BR. And BC is 30, BR is 24, which is equal to 6 centimeters. So this is 6 centimeter. So that means QC is also 6 centimeter because so this is RC or CR is equal to QC is equal to 6 centimeter. The reason being the tangents drawn from an external point to circle are equal, so we can give the same reason for this. And now let's join these points OP and OQ, and it's given that it has radius 8 centimeters. So these are the radii 8 centimeter and 8 centimeter. We have to find the value of DC. So DC is the value that we have to find out. Now, angle P is equal to angle D is given. Angle D is 90 degree, angle P and angle Q. So angle D is, this is, I'm talking about quadrilateral POQD. Angle D is equal to 90 degree. This is given. And angle P is equal to angle Q. These are also 90 degree because we know that radius, these are the radii, and the radius is perpendicular to the tangent. It's perpendicular to tangent at the point of contact. So if D is 90, P is 90, Q is also 90, this is 90, this is 90, so that means this angle is also 90. So that means quadrilateral POQD is a square because these two sides are equal. So this is also 8, this is also 8. So if it is a square, it's all sides are equal. So that means DQ is equal to 8 centimeter. And if it's DQ is equal to 8 centimeter, now we can easily find out DC, which is DQ plus QC, and DQ is 8 plus 6 is equal to 14 centimeters. So DC is 14 centimeter. And let's move on to question number 31. Thank you for watching.